What if I told you that filming yourself doing everyday chores like cooking, cleaning, or grocery shopping could actually earn you money? Welcome to the DoorDash Tasks App, a brand new side hustle opportunity available right here in the USA. This isn't delivery driving. This is something completely different. DoorDash is paying regular people in the USA to record short clips of their daily routines, and those videos are used to train advanced AI models. Here's how it works. Download the DoorDash Tasks app. Choose from a list of simple assignments, like film yourself chopping vegetables or show how you organize laundry, and upload the clip. Each task pays a set amount, and the more you complete, the more you earn. Think of it like micro jobs, but instead of surveys, you are helping AI learn real-world actions. The best part? You don't need any special skills, equipment, or training, just your phone camera and a few minutes of your time. People across the USA are reporting side earnings of $200 to $500 a month simply by filming chores they were already doing anyway.